Hi, I'm Matt McClure with Honda Tools. We design and build the latest technology in tube and pipe alignment tools. What we have here today is a 30-inch Honda top liner. It's designed to fit up 30-inch thin wall and heavy wall pipe. As you can see, it's mismatched. And if you'll look at the end of it here, the ovality is taken care of. It's completely gone and making the joint much easier to fit. Another aspect of this tool is its ability to set your gap. As you can see, we've got about a full finger width gap in this pipe. And with this tool, I can use these turnbuckles as a push-pull dog. Push or pull, as you can see. I can spread it apart or I can pull it together. And when I use these turnbuckles together, I can set the gap anywhere I want. I can spread it out or I can pull it together. You can see I'm bouncing back and forth. Now I want to go to the other side. Now normally I'd have to jump on the other side of the pipe, but with this configuration and for the video we can turn it over here and we can close the gap up. And simply use the turnbuckle and set that gap where I want it to be. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to address the axle alignment, or the high-low. As you can see, we're about a full finger low across the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the jack screws. Jack screw pushes the pipe in the direction it points. So if I want to push this pipe down to match this, I just turn this jack screw. I can pull it up even, or I can pull it up exaggerated. It's all controlled by turning the jack screw. Okay, let me adjust it down here and we'll get the high-low axle set around the tool. So he's come out just a little bit. Okay, now for all practical purposes we got your high-low set. Now once you get the joint where you want it, you just go around and you just snug up all of your jack screws. And that'll give you a mechanical fit up that's rigid. See, it's almost like it's one piece of pipe already. So now all you got to worry about is this flat spot on the top where your welded seam is. You got the high spot over here and then the flat spot where the welded seam is on the other pipe. For that we have the fine tuning lug. And the way it works is, as you can see, it's got two jack screws in it, and it actually goes in these square cutouts. It'll slide into these virtually anywhere around the pipe. For our purposes, we're going to address the flat spot here. So you simply take your high-low dog, slide it through the band, tighten down the back side with that jack screw, and then install the jack screw on this side. All right, we've engaged the high spot. You can take your wrench and simply push the high spot down. Get it where you want it to be, tack it, pull your fine tuning lug off, and you're ready to go. You can work it around the pipe, knock out any high-low, And just that quickly, you too can fit up a 30-inch Schedule 10 pipe with the Honda top liner clamp. It also works on your large bore pipe as well as your thin.